Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Right, I'm going to show you how to register for cybersecurity for free. Okay, free examination. Okay, sponsored by ISC2, okay, or ISC2. They actually offering this scholarship globally. So let me go in for my browser. This is my browser, right? So this is the actual link to their site, right? So I'll leave this link below the video description, right? So you can just click on it and then go straight to it. But if you don't want to click on the link and go in for yourself, so you just go to google.com, right? So here ISC2, click that. So you should see www.isc2.org, so click on this. Great. When you come here, you can see I have CC, that's what certifying cybersecurity, so click on this. So now you have what free exams and what training. Click on this as well. So I already have an account, so if you already have an account with them, you can click on sign in. If you don't, you click on create account, provide your first name, last name, your email address. Okay, so your password need to follow this description. So if you want to provide a password for the login, you have to follow the description down here, right? So I have that. So I'm going to provide my password. Great. So I'm going to accept this. Okay, my password do not match, so it means there is some mistake here. Let me check once more. Great. So now I can click. So you need to accept this and then accept this as well. So let me leave that. Verify. Great. Oh, come on, please. Okay, so let me retype my password again. Let me check, and then let me cross check again. All right, great. All right, so your request cannot be processed at this time. The site administrator has been altered. Okay. Apparently I already have an account with them, so I'm sure that is why I'm having this. So I'm going to click on what sign in, right? Let me save this. So I need to provide my email address and then sign in. Let's check. Don't save. Great. So since I have an account with them, when you sign in, what you have to look out for is this. So you can see free access to official ISC2 online self-paced train for cybersecurity. So they are giving you free tuition online, and then down here you have free registration for the exams. Okay, that is, you write exams online as well for you to give you a certification. So first let's go by going to the course itself, then later we'll look at how to register. So let me click that. Great. So here I can click on enroll for free training, right? So great. So now if you see here, this is the free training. You can see here the amount is $0, so it means it's totally free. So you don't need to provide any coupon. So all you have to click here is what checkout, right? Okay, so here you need to provide some details showing that you are actually buying this course. So I'm going to provide the fields with the red star is very important, so you need to provide those information. Great. Phone number is optional, right? And then down here, I agree to the terms and conditions, so you need to check this button here and then proceed. When you have this message showing thank you for payment, just go straight to what my courses. This is just a welcome message, right, that I'm taking the course. Okay, the next thing is you click on the course. This is the course, so you click on it. Great. So this is the outline. So you have the introduction, then you start with what, chapter 1, security principle. You have 2, 3, 4 and 5. Those are the 5 chapters. Okay, so if you really want to go through the course, let's just click on chapter 1. Let's check it out. You have 51 topics to complete. So every chapter and the topics you have to complete, okay, is written and down there, so whichever way. So you can start with what, the course introduction, know the outline and everything concerning what the course and what is needed. All right, so let me click down this course specification. So let's see. So you can go through it and then look for the read and look at what the activities, the assignment, quiz, objectives and everything about this very course here. So you can click down here and then look for the introduction, okay, from objectives and everything concerning the course is in the introduction. So all right, so one thing I would like to show you as well is let me go back there to the introduction. Each time you complete any modules, right, you can see at the top here is counting for you, right? Let me go back as well. So when you go back to your main course, so it tells you the percentage in terms of completion, right? So if you complete a course, which will actually show 100% what completion. Okay, so now let's go to the main deal, right? So this is it. Now when you registered or when you log in, right, so you can see down here, you say free registration to take what, the certifier in what, cybersecurity exams. This is the main exams which is officially from the ISC2. Okay, so click that. I've already registered anyway, but I'm going to walk you through, right? Because I did that last year, so I'm still having this code here, right? So when you get here, what you will see here is the site where will lead you to what, Pearson site. So you click on this very link here, right? So make sure I leave this link video description as well so that you can go through. So because I have already provided this information, so you can see it's already filled for me. So now this is very important. The name you provide there is going to be the name on your certification. Okay, so make sure the name that you want should be put in here, right? Home address, okay, the type of address, mine is home, so I've provided that. So city and all this information, so your employment status, whatever, so all this information needs to be provided, right? So if you want to keep me informed about what the resources and other stuff, so you can check these 2 boxes. If you don't want that, like me, so you can just go straight and select this, so submit. Great. So now it's moving me to the main Pearson exams environment. So this is the dashboard, right? So at the dashboard you can see here you have view upcoming tests. Okay, because I have already registered, right, so it's giving me what I already done. So let me try and see if I can still go through the process. So great. So now this is what you have, right? If you are new to the page, if not registered like I did, this is what you have. So you going for CC, right? That's a certifying in cybersecurity. So when you click that, it's going to give you your location based on the exam center that you have in your area. That is what is going to provide for you. So mine is, this is the exam center in my area, and then the date that you want to register for the exams, you select that because this is my date, this is the center I selected which is closer to my city, so that's what I selected, and everything is free. It's asking for you to pay, right? So you go, you select coupon instead of payment, right? So when you select a coupon, now use this code here. I'm going to leave it below, this very code. Okay, when you select a coupon, enter this very code here, use this very code, and it's going to give you $0, right? The exams has already been paid for, so you don't need to what, pay for any exam. So if every information provided go in successfully, if you should check your email address, okay, like I have here, right? So you can see the confirmations that I got from site. So let me click that, so you can see ISC2, right, showing that I have registered for this course, and this is the day and then the month that I'm going to write these exams, and then the center which I'm going to write the exams, and then this is my receipts. Okay, so when you enter the code, all this $199 is going to cancel to be what, $000, right? When you enter this very code here, in the voucher, right, this very coupon here, when you see coupon, enter this very code here. I will leave it below, so that when you enter that, you have what, $199 change to $000, which is free for you to register. But schedule the exams in such a way that you have time to learn. Okay, you have to learn from their site, okay, because you have a lot to learn when it gets to the courses. So you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chapters to learn, and even the very first chapter has what, 51 topics. So you have 28 topics, 36 topics, and 64 topics, and 32 topics to finish. So you can schedule the exams, let's say 3 months ahead, so that you can finish with this and then before the real exam date. Okay, so this is how you can get a free cybersecurity exams, okay, from ISC2 site. Okay, stay tuned, I'll be bringing more. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. I'll be bringing more on the channel. See you guys.